Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add Capital One card to Apple Pay. Most digital wallets come with an app you can add to your computer, phone, watch, or other smart device. When you are out shopping, you can pay with most mobile wallets by holding your device near a terminal that has the contactless transaction symbol. To complete the transaction, you might be required to provide a passcode or authenticate through fingerprint or facial recognition. From there, you can use the app to make purchases, pay someone directly, or even access tickets for things like concerts or travels. For non-mobile digital wallets, you might be prompted to sign in or provide a password. When it comes to the tech itself, digital wallets might use QR codes, near-field communication, or magnetic transmission. This technology stores your information and allows you to more securely complete transactions. One of the benefits of a digital wallet is access to quicker transactions, and that can come in handy especially if you are out and about and realize you left your physical wallet at home. Many retailers now have updated payment terminals that are compatible with contact payments like mobile wallets and contactless cards. Online digital wallets can make online shopping easier by automatically filling in your information for you. This way, you don't have to enter your info each time, and you can check out in just a few clicks. Simply pay with your mobile wallet or your smartphone, smartwatch, or other mobile device when you're checking out in a store. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.